guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you so much for viewing my channel and for supporting my channel. So in this simple technique, I'm going to be showing you how to get your box braid to look smooth from the root to the tip. So if that is something that you're very much interested into, please watch this video to the end, like and subscribe to my channel. So let's get right into this video. So what I'm going to be showing you is braiding hair and laying hair smoothly is actually a technique in the hand and the way that you hold your braid. And if this video is not too clear, I just advise you to watch this video to the end to see exactly what I'm doing, because I know some of us learn by seeing and some of us learn by practicing. So keep looking at this video and hope that you get something from it. I also know many of you already know how to position your hand when holding a braid to start braiding the box braid. So I'm not going to tell you in this video how to do it, but if you keep looking, you will see how my braid look like it's smooth from the root to the tip, just by the way that I position my hand when I hold the braid. So what I do, I use my index finger to hold the braid, the hair, the person's hair itself, and then I will have the braid itself in my hand. So I don't know if I would be explaining it correctly for you, but what I would advise you to do is to pause this video and go slowly on it, just to get a better feel or understanding of how I'm doing it. So I will normally hold the person's hair in my left hand and the braid in my right hand, and as I'm preparing to braid the hair, I will use my index finger from my right hand and also hold the person's hair, and that's how I will work it all together. I don't know if this will be very clear, but if it's not, please kindly look at this video, rewind it to see, or pause it at any time to see how I did it. Okay, so look at this video to the very end, and I hope that it will make sense to you. But braiding technique is actually, you have to practice in order to get it. You must practice in order to get it, because my hand goes as fast as this because I'm used to doing this. I've been braiding here for many years, and I'm so used to doing this. So don't get discouraged because you think you can't do it. Just keep watching it, keep practicing, and at some point you will actually get this. So I wish you guys the best. Thank you for watching, and have yourself an amazing, blessed day. Thank you so much.